Hey, what's up guys? So this is going to be the part 2 of the rebuild. I've ordered some new parts. Check out this headlight. Looks like it's brand new, right? Yep, just swapped everything over. Turns out that bulb was actually good. And I reused it, and I have a new radiator support. And this like kidney shroud or whatever. And gonna be installing all that. Yeah, this is the old one. Yep, and new hood latch thing. And I already installed this one, but here's the old one. Yeah, it's seen better days, but so yeah. Oh, and I had to replace this coolant reservoir too because it cracked where the seam is right here, and I glued it with the water weld, JB Weld water weld. I mean, it worked, but now it started leaking all around the other side. This is where it was leaking at first, but yeah, I decided to just get a new one. Yeah, don't buy the aftermarket one. They're kind of junk, but yeah, I'm gonna start assembling everything. Yeah, pretty much all these brackets are broken off to mount the bumper, so, and it's cracked all under there. So, yeah. Alrighty, I'll throw you guys on the time lapse. Guys, got the whole thing off. Really easy, actually, not hard at all. Just a little confusing here how these hood release cables come out. You just have to take apart this whole pretty much thing, and then they just pop out. It's pretty freaking easy, and yeah, pretty sweet. The guy actually put a new radiator right like a week before he crashed and stuff. That's kind of cool. Looks actually pretty mean with the radiator support off. This thing looks pretty sick. Here's the intercooler. It's actually not bad for the stock size, and honestly pretty good. But I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if it's the oil cooler or the maybe power steering, but I think that's probably the oil cooler. But yeah, this is the old one. I'm gonna have to actually drill out these rivets here, right there, and here, this is where it was broken. So yeah, but let's put the new one on. Well, everything's done. Looks pretty good. The new headlight. I am gonna have to buff this one out so it's more clear, so it matches the other side. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Got all the shrouds in and stuff, and here's some of the hood. Yep. All new. No more cracks. And all the tabs are all good too, so yeah, all it's left to do is just I need to get a new front bumper and fix this fender a little bit, and this hood. So that'll be the next episode or the next video that I'll be doing, and that'll pretty much be it for this. Also did an oil change, but next is probably just gonna be like lowering it and wheels and maybe a few mods to it. I just got a cob for it. Well, this thing like, oh damn, it's locked. But yeah, this thing like wakes up pretty nice with the cob. Really like boosts it up. It was like the old one, but it was only 150 bucks, so not too bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it for part 2. So I actually forgot to show you guys one of the coolest mods I got done to this thing so far. So yeah, peep this.
I don't really want no friends. I don't really want no friends, no. Draco got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, right down head tie. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lived that. Call a Uber with my shooter with a Ruger. We gon' do your niggas say they killing people, but I really fucking do it. I don't really want her. She won't fight back. Turn around, hit it for the back. Bet her down, then I make it clap. I don't really want no friends.
Yeah, it looks pretty sick. I'll also throw in some driving clips of this thing and show you guys how it boosts. But that's it.